Hey there! If you're wondering how to lock and hide files and apps on your iPhone, you have come to the right place. With iOS 18, it's super easy to keep your files private. Let's dive into it. First things first, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18 or later. After that, find the Files app on your iPhone. Now, tap and hold the Files app icon. Then select Enable Face ID or Touch ID to set up a passcode. Once that's done, your Files app will be locked. Now let's move on to hiding files in the Files app. Start by locating the file you want to hide, whether it's a photo or a video. Once you find the file, tap and hold it. Then tap Compress. Now this will create a zip file for you. After that, just rename the zip file to something discreet. If you follow these steps, even if someone opens the Files apps, they won't have a clue that you have compressed files on your iPhone. This is currently the best way to lock and hide your files in the Files app. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this helpful. Happy hiding!